everybody, this is Beth at Quilts and Lace. It is Ann and I in the store all by ourselves.
Except for Josephine.
Except for Josephine.
I'm sure she'll make an appearance.
Or she'll start barking. She was barking at the fabric over there. Who knows what she saw. But we had a shipment of the... Did this come in today or was it yesterday?
Came in yesterday.
Yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the Kimberbell clear blue tiles. And there's just been a lot of buzz around about that. So we're just going to do kind of a teaser tonight, showing the two items that they have in this tool for quilting in your embroidery machine. And then we'll go over more details in the upcoming days.
Okay.
So clear blue tiles is what they're called, and they have the essential set. So I'm assuming you have to start with this because it gives all the directions, and I'll show that in a moment. And then they have an expansion set, and this is for larger hoop sizes. So they have more of these blue tiles for larger hoop sizes.
Okay.
So this product is for those that have an embroidery machine and they need help positioning the quilting pattern inside the hoop. These are especially lovely for tile designs like Kimberbell does. I don't know if you guys remember the Love Notes quilt that we did. Boy, was that already 2 years ago?
It can't be 2 years, can it?
2-1.
Oh.
It was a mystery quilt that we did.
Yeah.
We're going to post a picture of it after we get off today.
Okay.
And that would have been the perfect Kimberbell project to use these clear blue tiles on.
Well, even I think now the candy corn quilt.
Oh, yes, all of them.
Right? All
yes,
of them.
all of them. Because
their celebration, their red, white, and bloom.
And I have the Jingle All the Way out here. This is another one. So this actually will be a great one to maybe show them. So this is Jingle All the Way. This was brought out a couple years ago. And Cherry did this. But,
whoa, hello.
I'm sorry. Each of these are blocks that you're going to piece together. And what you can do is, actually this would probably be one block right here. You can quilt this background and then piece it together with the rest of them. Or if you look at this one here that has the embroidered Christmas tree on it, you could quilt the background of that tree before you embroider on it.
Okay.
So it's lovely to have that all done, because once you embroider something, then you really have to do custom quilting or very limited quilting in order to get around all this layers of stuff. So if you can quilt your background fabric and then embroider on top of it, it just makes life really easy.
Plus the quilting helps stabilize before your embroidery.
And it just looks
nice.
better.
It does.
It just looks better.
It does.
So this is the Jingle Bell quilt. I'll hold it out.
Jingle all the way.
Jingle all the way, I mean.
We're going to say hi to Laurel and Connie who hopped on. Hey, girls.
Cute quilt that Cherry did.
Very cute.
And actually, I'm going to turn around to the back, and I don't know if you're able to see all the different quilting she did in all the blocks.
Nope.
No? Okay.
Nope, but thanks for showing us.
Showing you my backside?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for showing the best side. Yep.
So, anyway, super adorable quilt. Alrighty.
Now,
so,
I want to interject, though. Clear blue tiles, if you have a higher-end machine that has like a projector or camera in it,
or the app, take a picture of your hoop and send it to the machine. This is really not going to be necessary,
right?
Because you've got so many tools that will help you do the same thing,
right?
The only thing it does have in it that is kind of nice is that it does have design. So this is the box.
That's true.
So let me share everything that's in the box here. So we'll open this up. So when you open the box up, I'll seal it again here.
Except we took the USB stick.
A nice hard cover to it, a little magnetic kind of clasp to it. And when you open it up, inside you have the book with all the instructions. And in this kit, you get, let me open this card up, you get water-soluble pins in order to do your marking. You get these clear blue tiles for all different hoop sizes and for doing borders. So you get 12 border tiles. And they're all underneath this plastic here, Ann.
Okay.
If I can get that out.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Trying to do it one-handed.
That's hard. Anyway.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All kinds of stuff. Mm-hmm.
And the one they had on the top was for a 4x4.
Right.
And then you also get your little slat bands. So you get 2 slat bands. And what I really love is you get a USB stick, and you get, somewhere it told me how many designs
so
you
like
got.
232 or something like that.
It was on the outside, wasn't it?
We're going to say hi to Gay, Michelle, and Janet, who hopped on while you're looking.
Yeah, 372 files.
Oh, 372. Okay. And we don't know if it's the same design for different size hoops or how.
Yeah, I believe it is. So it says 6 background designs plus 2 border designs plus 6 bitty blocks, 186 block by block, and 186 all over quilting files.
Wow.
So quite a ton in there. So we thought we would load that up in our machine here. I have a little 4x4 hoop in here. And so here's my little 4x4 clear blue tile. That would be for that size.
Okay.
And I am on the 3600D. This is the discontinued brother model. And we have 1 floor model left. I was just looking at it. He's only got 16,000 stitches on him, Anne.
Oh.
So this one is looking for a home. I have a previously loved 3600 at an excellent price.
Okay.
Looking for a home.
Okay.
And then I have the brand new 3700, so the NQ 3700D, which is what replaced our 3600D.
Oh, okay.
And what I thought that I would do tonight to kind of support this clear blue tile introduction that we're doing here, this machine and the previously loved come with a 5x7 and a 6x10. So the first 2 people to buy, you know, one or the other, I'll throw in the 4x4 hoop.
Oh, nice.
Too, okay? So we'll do that just to, we need to make space for all the new machines.
Okay. Kind of sweeten the pot a little bit?
That's right.
Okay.
And these are wonderful machines. Wonderful embroidery, lots of features, and tremendous amount of stitches. This is this is a nice, easy threading, automatic tension, needle, up, down, thread cutter, pivot feature, cuts the jump stitches. Wonderful little machine.
Nice.
All right, so I'm going to stick this USB stick in. There's the little slot. All right, and then I just go on my window there and tap on the USB stick right here.
Yep.
And it's got the instruction book in there and seasonal houses and embroidery files. So let's go ahead and look at the embroidery files that they have in here. We are going to use the PES format right there. And here they start coming up. Let me see how many pages. I got 2 pages of this. So let's try summer. And let's do the clear blue tiles.
Janet says, it just spoiled my plan when I thought I could just buy the machine and leave it there for classes. Oh. You could do that, Janet. We can make that happen for you. Oh, funny.
All right, so
Brenda's on. Brenda Emerson, she hopped on. Hey, Brenda.
Here is starting to see the designs that I have in here. Let me just scroll through a couple of them. So there's a couple of them there. Now remember, this comes in all sizes. Let me go ahead and select this one. So the grayed out ones means that you would have to move up to our Essence machine there, because I think they did go all the way up to, let me see, it goes all the way up to a 8x10 size hoop, which our Essence goes all the way up to 8x12.
Okay.
Okay. So let's select that one. Let's go ahead and set it. And then we can see it in the picture there.
Is that little bees?
Yeah, let me just see if I can make it a little bigger so you can see it. Yeah,
oh,
isn't that super cute?
Cute.
So 372 files. So we've got quite a few backgrounds that you can do on this machine.
Very sweet.
So if I go back and go back into my USB stick, go back into my embroidery files, go back to my PES over here. Let's do fall. And Because did you say today was the first day of fall, right?
First day of fall.
Let's do our block by block. See what's in there.
Well, they said yesterday was last day of summer, so I'm assuming today's the first day of fall.
I don't know about that, Ann.
In Florida? We're not sure.
So these must be the border ones here. Let me go back to get the block one here. Go ahead and set it.
I'm not sure what that is.
I'm not either.
Make it larger, Beth. Oh, is that candy corn?
Oh, that's what it is.
I think that's candy corn.
Little candy corn.
Okay, cute.
So this is a 3x3 block. So this is a teeny tiny block
tiny.
that I selected there.
Yeah.
But anyway, I think this is going to be a fun little tool
for
people with an embroidery machine, especially those that love to do quilts that are tile format or any of the Kimberbell products that are in it. I don't know if it showed, did it have a...
And the clear blue tile is, and we'll show you more tomorrow, it's basically positioning your design in your hoop.
Yeah, so let's see. So it looks like the directions, as usual, are nice step-by-step.
Oh, yeah.
How to do everything.
Wonderful.
Oh, here's the seasonal table runners, so that must be what I'm looking at.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah, and here's the fall design. So here you can see them. I don't know if you can see them or not. But, yeah, there's a little candy corn and the little swirly candy and the bees and the flowers and the snowflakes.
Okay. Very cute.
Cute.
Oh, okay. This is going to be exciting.
I think it's going to be very fun.
Yep. Yeah, especially for
here we go. Here's
the ones that watched us on the bigger machines, how easy it was. They're going to see how easy it is with your small machine with these little tools.
So these are the bitty blocks. So cute.
Bitty blocks. Yay.
All right.
Okay. Yes.
So we'll be sharing this information with you guys so that you can learn what the clear blue tiles is all about. And tonight what we wanted to highlight was that Jingle All the Way. So we are going to put this on sale. I've only got 2 left, I think, so you're going to have to be quick.
Okay.
But I have Jingle All the Way machine embroidery booklet with a
CD in it? Okay.
And then the other one that I thought we could put on sale because this is on sale because this truly is one that you would love, I think, having all these designs to put in the blocks.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the Kimberbell Love Notes. This was a mystery quilt like we were saying earlier. So we have the design, the fabric kit, and I don't know if we still have the embellishment, but the design and the fabric kit we do have. Okay? And so we're going to put these at 20% off. Okay? So this is just the fabric, no design in that one. This is what you have to get. And we have it in sewing, and this is the embroidery version, but we also have it in the sewing version.
Oh, good.
And we'll put the sewing on sale, too.
Okay.
For those people that have not gone to the dark side of embroidery.
It's not the dark side. We bring them into the light.
The light, okay.
Okay. We're going to say hi to Jaja and April, who hopped on.
Hey, guys.
All righty. And then you were also going to show...
Yeah, some new stuff. Other new stuff that
came
in.
Some other new stuff.
Are you able to get by there?
Yeah.
So Cindy was kind enough to stitch us up a basket full of animals.
I love that hedgehog. Oh my gosh.
And I like the fish.
Oh, cute. Whoops, hello.
There goes one of them.
Penguin down.
Penguins.
Oh, funny. And that's all from a panel, isn't it?
Yes. So these are all the little guys. The whale.
Oh, cute.
And let me show the panel here. Then you can see all of them.
Yeah, because I think we showed it when the panel came in, but nobody saw them all made up. But we've been selling the panels, so we just want to let you know it's still here. We still got some left. Very cute. Cut and sew.
Yep. And Marilyn did this with her grandson.
Yeah, Marilyn Schmidt, one of our teachers, did it with her grandson.
Yeah,
they had a ball.
A perfect project because just stitch on the line.
And especially, yeah, if you've got a new sewer in the family, preferably like a young sewer, they would have a ball with this. So. And they'd get the project done in no time.
And then we do have coordinating fabric. So stripes. And then this one, oh, I think I forgot to bring the bag over. Oh, it's over there. Okay, I'll go get it. And then this is fabric to go with it. And another super cute project you can do to put all your animals in And it looks like Cindy just used a little rick-rack
Yep.
for the drawstring
Yep,
bag.
just a little drawstring bag.
But you can make just a little drawstring bag.
And we just found a free pattern on the internet on how to make it.
Yeah. We got to post it over there with the fabric. So.
Yep.
Yep.
So very cute. Very fun. Yeah.
All righty.
Okay.
That's all I have, Ann. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
I think that's enough for today. All righty. So one thing I did want to mention, though, is, speaking of Kimberbell, we've still got that event on Friday, Saturday,
the 25th. Good job. Good job. So we need more people.
Day at the fair.
Cute stuff.
It's not too late. The kits have come in. We're all set. Yep. If you want to show them the samples again.
Cute. This is super cute.
Here, I'll meet you over at the cutting table.
So this is the little hand towel. So you can sew the little rick-rack on. Cherry's going to show us how to keep those buttons in there.
Yeah, I'm very curious on that one.
The little strawberries.
Yeah.
Very cute. You're so sweet, I could bottle you up.
Yeah. Sweet.
And then our little pincher.
Chicken. Little pot holder or whatever.
Yep.
Very cute.
And then this is the I only have pies for you. And so a little pie carrier. Cute.
Okay.
All right.
All righty.
So we still have kits available for that.
Okay, good. All righty. Well, I guess that's about it for today, right?
Yeah. You wanted to show that other fabric, but we'll do that tomorrow.
Okay.
We got the cute little charm pack.
For those of you that follow Moda, we got the Hustle and Bustle charm packs in today. So Beth will show you those tomorrow.
Yep. And then we will keep working on our clear blue tiles with you guys so that you can see how to use them.
Very, very fun. And I think Kimberbell I don't know, on her website or on her Facebook page, they've been showing how to use them as well. So I know a lot of people are excited about these. We want to make sure everybody knew that we do have them in.
And we're doing training tomorrow.
And we're doing training with Kimberbell tomorrow.
Yeah, Kimberbell tomorrow. So.
Yeah. Who knows what nuggets of wisdom Beth will share with you tomorrow.
I'll wait for Ann.
Oh, golly. So we're going to sign off for tonight.
Thank you, guys.
Yes, thanks so much.
Please stay safe.
Yep. Bye-bye now.
Bye.